How does metal recycling reduce climate change? Have you ever thought about how recycling metal can make a difference in our fight against climate change? It might surprise you to learn just how impactful this process can be. Metal recycling is a sustainable practice that brings numerous benefits to our environment. First, let's look at what metal recycling actually involves. It is the process of collecting scrap metal and transforming it into new metal products. This method is much more energy efficient compared to extracting metals from raw ores. For example, recycling aluminum can save up to 95% of the energy needed to produce it from raw materials. That is a huge reduction in energy use. Now, let's talk about energy savings and emissions. Producing metals from raw ores requires a significant amount of energy and results in high greenhouse gas emissions. In contrast, recycling metals uses much less energy, which leads to lower emissions. For instance, recycling 1 ton of steel can save up to 1.5 tons of iron ore and 0.5 tons of coal. This reduction means less reliance on fossil fuels and a decrease in carbon dioxide emissions. But the benefits of metal recycling go beyond just emissions. It also helps reduce land disruption, soil and water pollution, and the negative impacts on ecosystems that come with mining. By reusing metal materials, we can lessen the environmental footprint of metal production. Additionally, recycling conserves natural resources, as it reduces the need to extract new materials from the earth. Incorporating metal recycling into our daily lives is a simple yet effective way to contribute to a sustainable future. Supporting local recycling programs and choosing products made from recycled metals can help reduce waste and lessen the environmental impact of metal production. This practice aligns perfectly with the broader goals of waste reduction and recycling, which are essential for sustainable living and environmental wellness. Looking ahead, as we increase our use of recycled metals, we can expect to see significant reductions in greenhouse gas emissions. Projections suggest that boosting recycled metal production could lead to savings of several gigatons of carbon dioxide equivalent emissions over the next few decades. This shift towards recycling can play an important role in meeting global climate change goals. By adopting metal recycling as a standard practice, we can make a positive impact on the environment while supporting sustainable living and environmental wellness. So, the next time you have scrap metal, remember that recycling it can help combat climate change and contribute to a healthier planet for all of us.